Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 8th, 2022. This is the real reason why Warren Buffett is buying Occidental Petroleum. Look at the chart. It tells us everything we need to know because the market is bullish, because this is where the money is going. But yet and still, so many people got us focus in on other areas that the market is going down. We need to focus in on the areas where the money is going. And here it is in Oxy. You guys can see that this stock is doing a fantastic job of maintaining its momentum of going higher. Welcome everyone to the channel. Hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe if you guys want more of this short form content of getting price predictions on a simplistic way. So real quick, look at this. I'm zooming out the price chart in Oxy. You guys can tell that the market is massively bullish. This is a petroleum stock, meaning that if you were to look at any other oil stocks, you probably get the same idea that the bullishness is still here. I wonder why. Because the world needs energy. And if it needs energy, with the inflation and interest rates going up, guess what else is going to go up? The commodities that people utilize on a day-to-day basis. Look at this. This stock is in a massive bullish trend. Can it continue? I think so. I think the market in Oxy is going to try to run up to around like $90, $92 or so in the grand scheme of things, because you guys can see that the market has done a fantastic job of maintaining this bullishness. Let me show you all the 3 months chart in Oxy. And you guys can still see here that the market in Oxy, even amidst these 2 3-month price bars, right? Okay, I want you all to see this. This 3-month price bar, even on this last completed one, signifies that people were trying to sell in the market in Oxy. Now, I will tell you the next 2 months and 23 days, if this particular current 3-month price bar closes higher than this last 2, oh yeah, the market in Oxy is going to run up to around $90, $92. All right, so showing you all the monthly chart in Oxy right here. I don't suspect that it's going to be a massive run up. No, I think it's going to be one of those tight moves to where it's going to be slow and methodical, and it's going to take its time to go up, right? That's how it's going to move. That's my expectation of how this particular stock is going to move in Oxy. You guys can see on the 2 weeks chart. Okay, you guys can even tell right here over the last 2 weeks on the conclusion of it that this 2 weekly price bar literally has taken out the last, almost taken out the last 2 weeks of price action to the downside. That is good to see. Here it is on the weekly chart. You guys can still tell here that we need to maintain the idea that Oxy is going to trend higher in price. That's what we need to do. So we will. We're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Oxy. It is just that simple. It is not hard. It is not complicated to understand and see what the market is up to. Now, given that we're going to be bullish in this particular stock, you guys can see where sellers are coming in the market. Okay, you guys can see it. We got rejected around 76. Okay, now my idea is looking for the market in Oxy to run up to around 88 to 90 to $92. Okay, you guys can see it right here around 88. Now, let me go ahead and put this price prediction on the chart, and I'm going to give you all this first price target, because one thing about me, I want us to celebrate on the way up or on the way down. So I'll give you price targets to where we can actually come in and nibble and win. All right. So as long as the market in Oxy continues to trade above, I will say $57.42, we are going to look for the price to go up. Okay. Now the first price target is going to be around 75. Now that would give us 8-9% movement higher in Oxy. I can see the market even getting rejected right there around 74.20. So I mean, you can nibble there too. That gives you around 6% profitability. But I'm looking at around 76 on the long term in Oxy. And then my second price target, as we anticipate the market running up in Oxy, is going to be, I would say 80. Let's do $80 for the second one. And then I'm gonna run it up here to the highs of $86. That's my third one. That's 23.36% run up into the market in Oxy. Okay. Now, for a time frame, I don't know. I cannot give you all a time frame as to when the market in Oxy could run up to those 3 price targets that I mentioned. If the uncertainty in the economy continues, it won't be long. But if there's a lot of ebbs and flows, a lot of surprises coming into the market, and the Oxy begins to go down, then yeah, it's going to take the market a while to go up to those 3 price targets that I mentioned. But currently, this is where the bullishness is still being seen. So I wanted to come in and identify these areas for each and every one of you as to why Warren Buffett is buying this stock. He knows what's about to come down the pike. All right. So that's it. You guys got any questions or comments? Let me know. Give me your price target at the bottom of this video and tell me where you think Oxy is going to go as well. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.